detached property to clean, and I'll walk you around. So nice views, and you can see down the bottom here, really quite stained. So this wall's particularly bad, a lot of green algae on there for the chimney. And then this back wall here, you can see it's particularly heavily stained. A lot of mould, algae on there. Again, a lot of, so the pink staining, that's the algae, that's Trentepohlia. And then this wall here, this is looking particularly bad. And we'll really transform this. So the homeowner contacted us because they wanted to put the property on the market to sell, and he was told by all the painters and decorators that he contacted that it would be at least 12 months before they could get to come and do it, and we can get it cleaned within a day and it will look like it's been painted, so ideal for them to have it done, and then they can put it up for sale. The green algae here, and then the pink is another algae. Window bottom's looking really bad. But we should really transform this. So, let's see how we get on with this one. And then I'm going to start on this end now. Very pink when it's damp. So in the winter or a day when it's raining, this is how it normally looks. And this here, this is an algae, and when we put our chemical on it, it will go brighter pink. I'll show you what the window bottom's looking like. So these are lichens here, a lot of mould, a lot of algae on there. And we've treated the side. I'll show you the contrast. And these are the window bottoms around here. So these lichens, they'll come off with a bit of heat. So that's the chemical still working on there. Property now, and I'll just show you what we're looking at. So you can see it's looking really good. The staining's gone. And this side, this bottom wall. This was particularly black up here. And it's still wet, but it's drying all the time. And then this gable end, this was really heavily stained. As you can see from the previous, it was very pink in the middle here. That's all cleared. The window bottoms, this one was black, but you see all gone. So I'm very pleased with that, and the homeowner's pleased. And there was a rust stain here, and we just treated that. And this to the gable end. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.